Hey guys, this is Hart, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make neon light effect in Photoshop. Let's start. So first open up Photoshop and set the page size as you want. Now cut out the subject, and for that I'm going to use the pen tool. This is going to take long, so let's speed it up. After making the selection, drag and drop it into the new page and give it a new background. I'm going to use this pic I found on the Google. Now put some blur on the background for some depth. Now for the main part, go to the Tools tab and hold the Shape tool and select Ellipse tool. After that, press Shift and drag on the pic to make a circle. Make sure the fill color is none and change the boundary color as you want. Then put the circle behind your main object. Now go to the layers and press Ctrl plus J to make a copy of the circle layer. Click on the circle icon again to change the settings. After that's done, put blur on both layers one by one. Make sure the blur opacity is same on the both layers. Now take the eraser or make a mask and erase the half part of both the circles. After that, take the brush tool and select the matching color as your circle. Change the brush mode to curve dodge and it decreases opacity to 20 and just paint around the circle. Then again change the color of the brush and do the same thing with the other one. This will make it feel like that it's glowing. After that, put highlights on the subject for realism. After that, put a camera raw filter in it or use Lightroom. It's all up to you on how you want your pic to look. And that's it from today. Hope you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want. I'll see you in the next one.